Welcome to SATX. We are going to solving exponential expression. Here is simplify 6 question and we try to solve all question within 2 or 3 part. Our first question, a plus b divide b to the power a divide a minus b times a minus b divide a to the power a divide a minus b. In denominator, a plus b by b to the power b divide a minus b times a minus b divide a to the power b divide a minus b. So, if you carefully look, here is a plus b by b and here is also a plus b by b, and here a minus b by a and also a minus b by a. We know once base are same, like a to the power m divide a to the power n, that time power will be subtract once we are going to division. It means a to the power m minus n. So, similar thing here is a plus b by a and a plus b by b is a similar thing. So, we can write a plus b by b to the power here a divide a minus b minus here b a minus b. Okay. And what about next? Here is a minus b divide a to the power a divide a minus b minus b divide a minus b. Okay. So, here a plus b by b and we can make LCM a minus b. So, here is a minus b times same thing, here is a minus b divide a and here is also LCM a minus b. So, here a minus b. So, we can divide a minus b by a minus b, a minus b by a minus b. So, here we get just a plus b by b times a minus b by a, right. So, this case just we multiply a times b means ab, and here is a square minus b square, because we know a plus b times a minus b, it means a square minus b square. Okay. So, this is our answer. After simplify we get this one. So, number 1 done. Number 2, a to the power 3 by 2 plus ab divide ab minus b cube minus root a divide root a minus b. This math a little bit complex, so we have to carefully handle this one. First, here a to the power 3 by 2, this a to the power 3 by 2, if we segregate, what we will get 3 by 2, this one we can write 1 plus 1 by 2, it means 3 by 2, right. So, this one we can write in here a to the power 1 plus 1 by 2 and here plus ab divide, here we can take common b. So, we will get a minus b square, right, minus root a divide root a minus b. Then this one we can write a to the power 1 times a to the power 1 by 2 plus a b, and denominator b, this a we can write root a square minus b square, and here minus root a and here root a minus b. Okay, so very careful about this one. Now we know root a, it means a to the power 1 by 2. So simple thing, here we can write a times root a. Okay, and here is plus ab divide b, and look, we know a square minus b square, it means a plus b times a minus b, right? So we can write this one root a plus b times root a minus b. Why? Because here is root a square minus b square, it's a square minus b square, minus root a divide root a minus b. Next we can take common here a, so we will get root a plus b divide b root a plus b times root a minus b, right? Minus similar root a divide root a minus b. Now what next? Here we can divide a root a plus b and root a plus b. So here is remaining a by b and root a minus b minus root a divide root a minus b. We can make LCM. LCM will be b root a minus b. So here will be what we can write in here, a minus root a b, right? Now look, we can take common here. Here is a and here is a root a. So look, root a times root a equals to a. So if you take common root a, we will get a root a, and here is minus b divide b times root a minus b. So here root a minus b, root a minus b out, our answer will be root a divide b. Very simple, but here tagline or key point is we have to understand this root 3 by root, here is a to the power 3 by 2. This is very important part. Well, number 1 and 2 done.